Quran Stories with Muskan and Sarah. Mommy, I am so scared.
What happened, darling?
There is so much water here. It sounds so scary.
Oh, okay. My poor baby. What do you want to do now?
Can you tell me a story?
Okay, sure. Do you want to listen to Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, story?
Okay, Mommy.
Muskan. Do you want to listen too?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay then. Come here and sit. I will tell Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, story.
Oh. It's story time. I want to listen too.
I am ready to, Mommy.
Great. We will start now. A long time after Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, Allah sent Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, to the people who had gone astray, and did not believe in one Allah. These people did not follow the true path. Allah told to Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, to preach to the people. He used to go to his people to talk about Allah.
O my people! Fear Allah. Worship Him alone.
The people worshipped idols. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, repeatedly said not to worship anything other than Allah. He said,
O my people! Do not worship anyone except Allah. I came to you as a plain warner. I fear for you. I warn you of painful torment if you didn't stop your evil habits.
Then the people said,
You are like one of us, and we do not believe you.
They even closed thy ears. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, was an excellent speaker, and a very patient man. He told them not to worship idols, and worship Allah alone. He continued to preach this for 900 years. He warned them about the punishment of the hellfire if they disobeyed. Only a few people, including the poor, weak, and the laborers, believed him. The disbelievers said,
Bring upon us what you threaten us with, if you are of the truthful.
Then Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, said,
My Lord! Leave not one of the disbelievers on the earth. If you leave them, they will mislead your slaves, and they will beget none but wicked disbelievers.
Allah then accepted Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, prayer, and asked to build an ark away from the sea with wood and tools. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, and the believers started to build the ark, as instructed by Allah. Allah revealed to him that, when water miraculously gushed forth from the stove at Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, house, that would be the sign of the start of the flood. He patiently waited the command of Allah. The day finally came, and the water gushed from the stove of Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, house. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, wife came running to tell him about the water gushing from the stove. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, understood the sign from Allah. The day then arrived, and water miraculously rained over the residence, resulting as a heavy rain. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, opened the ark and allowed the believers and animals to come inside. The lions came in, followed by tigers, giraffes, zebras, deers, sheep, chimpanzees, chickens, birds, and so on. The people and animals were in pairs, such that their generations could thrive, and that they don't become extinct. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, said to his wife and son,
O my son, come aboard with us. And be not with the disbelievers.
for which his son told,
I will take refuge on a mountain, to protect me from the water.
There is no protector today from the decree of Allah, except for whom he gives mercy.
The prophet's wife and son did not listen to him, and they started to walk to take refuge on a mountain. The prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, was very sad that his wife and son were among the disbelievers. Eventually, the waves swept Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, wife and son. Soon the waves rose high and killed all the non-believers. The entire earth was filled with water. Rain stopped, but the ark sailed for many days. Not a single person who had disbelieved in Allah remained on the earth. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, prayed to Allah. Eventually the earth swallowed up the water, and the ark rested on Mount Judy. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, released the animals, insects, birds and all other living creatures that were on the ark. They scattered across the earth and repopulated it. Then Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, released the believers and his believing family from the ark. Finally, Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, disembarked from the Arkansas. The first thing he did is to prostrate to Allah.
Mashallah. That is such a wonderful story.
So Muskan and Sarah, hope you liked the story.
Yes, Mommy. It's such a wonderful story.
Now let me ask few questions. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, preached for how many years?
Oh. It's an easy one. It's 900 years.
That's correct, Daddy. Did Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, wife and son boarded the ark?
No, Mommy. They did not. They were among the disbelievers.
Very good. That's correct. What was the sign Allah gave for the start of the flood?
The water will come out from Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, stove.
Well done. That's correct. It's time to go home now. It's getting late.
Okay, Mommy. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.